All right, happy 100th day of school. I'm guessing by this point in time you realize that today is a remote learning day. I'm also hopeful that you saw my message that today we are going to be asynchronous. Basically, I'm going to make for you guys 3 short videos today and just give you a little bit of an update. You can do a little bit of work, and we will come back and revisit some of these things tomorrow. First of all, just a quick overview. You can see on the screen in front of you, hopefully, that we're going to do a few things today. You're going to take a look at your spelling, pages 109 and 110. That's going to be the introduction of a new spelling lesson. Just write those words down like you normally would. Write them on 109, rewrite them on 110. It should take you 5 minutes, but it'll give you a good overview. And again, we'll revisit that tomorrow. We're going to take a look at our reading and writing workshop book. Our story this week is called Home of the Brave, so we're going to take a look at those intro pages. We'll talk about the essential question, and I'm going to have you guys write the vocab and complete practice book page 181. We're going to take a look at grammar page 81, and then I'm going to set up a separate video to talk about both the My Special Place rough draft as well as the social studies for the week. So I'll post 2 short videos with those as well. So, getting us started here, just take a quick look at what's going on in ELA. You can see this week, sorry, I guess that's probably a better view for you. You can see that we're still talking about shared experiences. Our essential question is going to be, how do people uncover what they have in common? And you can see a lot in common. Long before there were any books, master storytellers were the true celebrities. They captivated audiences with thrilling tales told entirely from their memory. Storytelling is very much alive today. This man in the picture draws listeners in with a tale of the Ajamakan people, the Native American tribe in California. The best stories usually feature suspenseful plots and characters that most everybody can relate to. Sharing the excitement of a good story can bring people of all backgrounds and ages together. We would, in this case, talk with a partner about why certain stories appeal to so many people, and ultimately, I would guide your discussion to being the fact that the themes are meaningful. That's why the certain stories have been retold or revisited and re-updated into modern times, is because the theme is so relevant. Okay? All right. Your vocab this week, we have adjustment, chattering, ember, mentor, nomadic, rapport, reunites, and sturdy. Now, like I said, our story this week is called Home of the Brave. So if you want to do these 8 vocabulary words and you want to title it Brave Vocab. Brave Vocab. And then try practice book page 181 if you haven't done so already. Okay. The last thing I want to take a look at with you guys before I end this short video is I have a grammar page up for you. Okay, grammar page 81. Still talking about pronouns. Now we're going to kind of diversify a little bit. We're going to talk about different kinds of pronouns. A subject pronoun is the pronoun that takes the place of the subject. Instead of saying Sarah goes to the mall, you'd say she goes to the mall. The object pronoun takes the place of a noun in the predicate of the sentence. I would say Sarah goes there. That would be an object pronoun. A reflexive pronoun, this is something new for us. Well, I'm guessing you've seen this in the past, but it's new this year. A reflexive pronoun is an object that is the same as the subject of the sentence. And some examples of this: myself, yourself, himself, herself. And then we have what's called an intensive pronoun. And that's when you emphasize the antecedent, but it doesn't act as the object. So here's what they want you to do. There's 2 parts to this page. At the top, it says underline the pronoun. Now that should be the easy part. Write subject if it's a subject pronoun, object if it's an object pronoun. Okay, so hopefully you would recognize the pronoun is the word I. Gabriella and I are the subject of the sentence. We are the ones organizing the book drive. So you would circle I, and on the line you would write subject as it's a subject pronoun. At the bottom, you will circle the correct pronoun in the parentheses and write it on the line. Okay? Easy enough? Okay. All right, last thing. Like I said, I'm going to make 2 more videos. I'm going to have a basic one on My Special Place, and I'm going to have one on the social studies for the week. If you watch all 3 videos, I'm going to give you a little coded message, okay? So take note of this. The first code is snow. Okay, watch the next 2 videos and I'll put the extra coded message at the end of those 2 and I'll tell you what to do with it, okay? The coded message is snow. All right, guys.